Entergy prepares for severe weather all year round. And while we restore power in the safest and quickest way possible, some challenges just take longer. Some neighborhoods have backyard or rear lot poles and power lines, and this presents challenges when restoring power. It is difficult and sometimes impossible to access backyards and rear lots with our regular bucket trucks. Fences, pools, and saturated soil can complicate restoration. Our teams may need to manually carry tools and materials into backyards, and we may have to bring in special equipment to complete the job. That's why backyard work can take significantly longer to complete than homes that have Entergy connections on the street. No matter where we work after a storm, we're prepared to get your power restored safely and quickly. Remember to stay safe. Visit EnergyStormCenter.com for more information.